Roke gol!
Sliši se vzklike, navijanje, publika pomaga ogromno.
For the last 4 seasons, Ljubljana has been hosting a beach volleyball event. We've been watching close how it's been improving year after year. This now is a World Tour event, and also with the spectators, they really enjoy.
It's good. Is everything good to back to Ljubljana? The organization is very good. It's a pleasure to play here.
We really like it that it's that close to the city center and that crowded, and it's amazing.
Bojka na mivki je zelo atraktiven šport, kar dokazuje tudi odziv ljudi, ki ga vidimo tukaj tudi na Kongresnem trgu.
In si želimo, da čim več mladih se odloči za bojko na mivki, da lahko dosežemo visoke rezultate.
Sometimes it's not easy because the fans for Slovenia here are amazing.
Slovenian team is a very nice team. Today we were more lucky and the score didn't show full story of this game.
Yeah, we could take a really good experience of this tournament and really enjoy to play here in this beautiful city.
Next year. See you next year.
To je bil Ljubljana Beach Volley World Tour, prvič z eno zvezdico.